Time is money, especially when it comes to the time you spend diagnosing a customer's concern. Bosch has an answer. Introducing the Bosch ADS 525X. Extreme speed. With its quick scan capabilities, the ADS 525X can perform an all systems DTC scan in under 60 seconds on average, with complete scans taking 30 seconds or less for many makes and models. With its intuitive user interface and complete pre- and post-scan reporting for all possible systems available for the vehicle, the tool gives technicians the ability to quickly diagnose the issue and receive critical repair information directly to the tool, allowing them to begin repairs faster. Extreme access. The ADS 525X offers 100% OE-approved service access, including the ability to unlock the FCA Secure Gateway Module, or SGW, found in late model vehicles seamlessly and in seconds. It is also a J2534 compliant VCI, enabling factory programming with an OE subscription and PC. These features are all accessible via the tool's ultra-crisp, widescreen 8-inch LCD display, providing outstanding visibility indoors and out. Extreme flexibility. The ADS 525X gives technicians the flexibility of enhancing their software subscriptions for what they need the most, with the power to upgrade or downgrade at any time. It comes with all-access software and coverage updates for the first 12 months, as well as 30 free days of our enhanced subscription, a complete on-tool OEM service and repair information library. Ready to take your diagnostics to the extreme? Check out the Bosch ADS 525X today. For more information, visit www.boschdiagnostics.com/ADS-X.